Good morning out there. So we have Sade and Gus staying with us at the moment. Gus is Briar's brother and they're well matched in play. And then Sade is Dance and Bella's sister. And so she should be 9 in October. And remembers well playing. So she likes to be somewhat involved. I love to see her run. It's really cool. Sorry. There they are. And Gus stands a good, 3 or 4 inches taller than Briar. Big boy. Runs like the wind too. But so far everybody seems to be doing just fine. Hello, Miss Bella. Gus kind of wants to play with Eddie. Eddie tells him off every time, so a little bit of that going on, but he's certainly listening, which is great. There he is over there. And they will be with us for about a week as Uncle Dance, playing with the young boys. You have to be careful with like a smaller dog like Eddie that the borzoi don't sort of gang up on a picked dog, But so far we're good. Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you later.